This is the first time I've ever made a purchase of any, and Hi everyone, I'm Waggo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a try-on slash first impression of products from Paula's Choice. I've heard some fantastic things about the product line, so if you are interested in seeing what I bought, what the products are like, then keep on watching. So, when I made my purchase, I used some kind of a deal, either through Honey or Rakuten, and I purchased 3 products which were on sale. I got free shipping, and I received 2 samples. The sample sizes are probably the same that you would get in, say, an Ipsy bag or an Allure box. One is 5 milliliters and the other is 7 milliliters. But it's nice to be able to try additional products for free before you invest and make the full purchase. The 3 products that I purchased were the Advanced Replenishing Toner with hyaluronic acid, the Barrier Repair Moisturizer with retinol, and the Replenishing Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and peptides. 2 of the products are from the Resist line, and that packaging is blue. The other product is from the Skin Recovery line, and that packaging is red. The 2 free samples come from the Resist line, and that packaging is charcoal. Let's start in the order in which you would apply such skincare. There is a sticker on this, and I'm going to start with the toner. I have a cotton square. I don't have a smell. Oh, interesting. It's a little thicker than a typical toner. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's water-like, but it's more like an essence. It has no scent. It has the very, 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 very subtle tackiness, but less so than other toners I've used. I don't know if using a cotton swab is best, because that cotton swab is going to suck up all of the product. So I'm just going to pour a little in the palm of my hand. Rub my hands together and press it into my face. It's interesting. I'm so used to using toners with a cotton swab because they're more like super liquidy. This one's more like an essence. The directions say, after cleansing, apply over face and neck with a cotton pad. So it does say to use a cotton pad, so I could have done that. It says, for optimal results, use in the AM and PM For daytime, always follow with a sunscreen. I noticed that disclaimer on all of their products to use a sunscreen. Okay, so toner applied. The next product is the Barrier Repair Moisturizer. This is what the packaging looks like. There is a pump. That is what the product looks like. Again, no scent. It absorbs into the skin nicely and does not leave any kind of greasy feeling. Let's try some on my face. I'm going to take that amount, about pea size. The Barrier Repair Moisturizer with Retinol says that it is a light lotion which smooths and hydrates, visibly firms skin, and targets all signs of aging. It's for normal to dry skin. Now on to the third product. This is called the Replenishing Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and peptides, which is Nourishing Cream. This is a Nourishing Cream. This Nourishing Cream delivers instant and lasting hydration. It smooths wrinkles and returns radiance to dry, dull skin. Alright, sign me up. Oh, and this one is for dry, very dry skin. This is what the packaging looks like. Is there a safety seal? Let's find out. Yes. So nothing is coming out. Okay. So took the lid off. There's a safety seal. The foil. Interesting, the other one did not have a safety seal. However, on the outside of the packaging, it was taped. Oh, this is a little thicker. It looks the same on camera. It's squirted out a little slower than the Barrier Repair. This one, I want to say has no scent, but there's a very subtle, probably just all of the ingredients together kind of smell, or nothing, and I'm just starting to smell things. Alright, let's put this on my face. Again, I'm going to use about a pea size amount. It's really hard with these videos unless I've been using these products for months at a time. But this is just a first impression video so you can be aware of what these products cost, what they're like, to see if you are interested in possibly making a purchase. Okay, I would say I applied all three of those products, not immediately back to back, but there was maybe only a minute or two in between, not 10-20 minutes. I have not experienced any sort of pilling, so that is a very good sign. Alright, now on to the samples. The one I'm most excited to try is the anti-aging eye gel, because as if you've been watching my channel, you know I am 53 years old and am suffering from some serious under eye. I hate saying fine lines because my lines are not fine. Alright, so this is what the little sample looks like. It's a little itty bitty baby, 5 milliliters. However, when it comes to eye gels, you use so little that even though it looks super tiny, this could probably last 3 weeks, maybe even a month. That is all I'm gonna take for both sides of my eyes. Just gonna tap it under, go around, and let it sink in. Again, no scent. It's absorbing quickly. None of these products feel greasy. The toner felt ever so tacky. But nothing horrible. This last product is a Wrinkle-Repair Serum, which I probably should have put on first, so I'm just going to show it on my hand. This supercharged anti-aging treatment contains stabilized retinol, potent antioxidants, and skin repairing ingredients that work to help skin look and act younger. Directions: apply after cleansing, toning, and exfoliating. Smooth a few drops onto face, neck, and eye area before moisturizing. For daytime, always follow with a sunscreen. Okay, so I am really bad and did not pay attention to what type of product this one was. Oh, that's nice. I was trying to unscrew, and if you twist, it pops up and has a little pump. That is really nice packaging for a trial size. This is only 7 milliliters, so let me squirt a little. Although I hate this packaging because it screws, but as soon as you go to pump it, like tries to pop down. So let's try that again. Oh, interesting. So this one is not white. It's kind of like an amber clear color, and it is definitely a serum. Feels a little thicker than the other one and more oily, or more like an oil. I don't know if you can see the shine. And I applied it on top of all of this stuff on this hand, which you're not supposed to do. Maybe that's why it's still sitting there. Let me push it up my arm a little more. See how it absorbs. Again, no scent. Oh, and even though I put it on top of the hand lotion, it is now fully absorbed and is no longer shiny. Okay, I am super excited to try all of these products. I am always looking for new ways to look younger, and it starts with skincare, because Lord knows I can't turn that clock and go backwards in time. Give me your thoughts. Have you used Paula'S Choice products before? I'm probably the last person in the world to have ever tried these. It's only been 6 months since I've really gotten into anti-aging skincare, and I am super excited to give these products a go. As I use them more, and if I see results, I will definitely update the comments. Please comment below and let me know what you have experienced. What is your favorite product from Paula'S Choice? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.